Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my new video. The second step is to learn grammar, because it helps us build correct sentences and express our thoughts clearly. Some of the most important grammar topics you should focus on are: one of these parts of speech, like nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Next is tenses, like past, present, future, and their forms. Sentence structure, like subject, verb, object, and word order. Next is articles a, an, the. That another is preposition, is like in, on, at, by, but, from, because of, by, down, so on. There are also modal verbs like can, could, should, must. Another is linking words like but, secondly, therefore, such as, however, and so on. In my next video, I will explain these 7 grammar topics one by one. See you next.